Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use OSL Map's Parallax 3D effect. Please like and subscribe my channel. First you have to go to the material editor. Open Slate Material Editor. I'm using the Corona renderer. So right click on the canvas. Go to the materials. Corona. Select Corona Legacy Material. Again right click on the canvas. Go to the maps. In Journal. Select OSL Map. Now go to the OSL code. Click on the OSL code bar. Go to the location where you have to keep the wParallax bundle. In OSL shader folder you have to select the Corona shader if you using Corona renderer. Open it. Now again right click on the canvas. Go to the maps. OSL. In values. Click on the file name. Then go to the bundle in EXR folder. You can select any texture. Now you have to attach the file name with OSL Map. Input texture. Then result attached to Corona material. With self-illumination. In Corona basic material. You have to off the diffuse material. In advance option. Change the multiplier of self-illumination. Now select the OSL map. In OSL map option you have to change the amount of Windows aspect. Now go to the object. Make the plane surface. Open the material editor and paste the material on the surface. To see it, start the interactive rendering. You can see if it's not fit. Go to the OSL map option. Adjust the flip option. And if it's looking dark, you can change the illumination multiplier. You can make the other shader. Change the map from the file name. So as you can make the other shades. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.